Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm on my phone at the moment, but this guide is also going to work on other types of devices, such as Apple, as obviously I'm using an Android. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up Snapchat. So here we go. So to send an actual picture at the minute, you would swipe up, take something from your camera roll. So let's just choose any picture for the moment for this example. So I'm going to select this one. So this picture of a watch. You press send to, choose who you want to send it to. So I'm just going to send it to myself. Okay, and press go. And you can see it's been sent. And then if we look, swipe from left to right or just click the actual chat button, as you can see at the bottom, then you'll be able to open up the message. And you can see it's just sent it in messages rather than as an actual snap. Okay, so then if we come back to where we want to take a picture, if we actually select to the right of the actual take picture button, and we can see a few filters. So if we just select one of the filters and then swipe up, it's going to take you to this section here, and we just want to search for green screen. Okay, and then the one we're going to select is the one in the middle. And then what it's going to do is take you now back to the main screen, and you can see my head hovering at the bottom. So there I am actually in the photo. And then you can see it brings up your camera roll. So then you can select anything from your camera roll. For this example, I'm just going to choose this particular picture. Okay, and then the best thing what you want to do is try and move your phone so then you are actually out of shot. So either tilt it backwards or to the side so you can no longer be seen by the camera, and then all you have is the picture that you want from your camera roll as the image. Then press the take picture button, and here we have it. We now have the actual image, and you're ready to send that as a snap. Okay, and then we can send it to ourselves, and then I'm just going to do that as an example. So send it to me, then we can see what it looks like. That's been sent. If we go back to so it's showing as snap sent. Then if we go back to the home screen and we go and see that we can go from left to right to see our snaps, and here it is appearing as a snap that's been sent. If we open that, and there we go, there is the snap. So it was an image from your camera roll then sent as a snap. So that's it. That is how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.